Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. It's been a very long time that I haven't made any videos on my YouTube channel, so here I am. Actually, I was watching the series Outlander on Netflix, and there were a total of 7 seasons, which took a lot of time for me to get it complete. But eventually I did it, and here I am to give a review about the Outlander. So, Outlander is a historical romance and time travel based drama series. It's about a woman named as Claire Randall, and she was a World War II nurse, and she was married to Frank Randall. So they were on a honeymoon in Scotland, and she visits a place, Crenadon. So over there she touches a stone which is like a historical thing over there, and eventually she travels back to 17th century, which is quite mysterious. And so in 1743 she meets a very young handsome man named as Jamie Fraser. To survive over there she had to marry him, and despite of being married to Frank Randall in her own time, she had to marry Jamie Fraser. But they do fall in love, so that's a great thing. The story blends history, romance, adventure across different eras. And Outlander features many historical war events such as the Jacobite Rising of 1745. So this was an attempt by Charles Edward Stuart, also known as the Bonnie Prince Charles. Along with his supporters, he tried to regain the Stuart monarchy to the British throne, which led to the Battle of Culloden, and unfortunately the Jacobites suffered a very horrible defeat by the British. So in this war, even Jamie had to fight. And Claire, being from the future, she knows what happens in the Battle of Culloden. She knows everyone dies over there. So she insisted that Jamie shouldn't fight the war, but him being a Jacobite, he had to do it for his clan. And Claire was pregnant with Jamie's child, so Jamie even insisted Claire to go back through the stones to her own time to raise their kid. And she does that. So, like after 20 years, they stayed apart, and eventually Claire thought that Jamie had died in the Battle of Culloden. But then, in her own period of time, when she did a genealogical research, she came to know that the Jamie Fraser was still alive, and she eventually travels back to the 17th century through the stones just to unite with Jamie Fraser. Then we have the 7 Years' War. So this war, there was a conflict between the American colonies, which caused tensions between the French and the British. Then we have the American Revolutionary War also, where the Americans fought for their independence against the British rule. Jamie and Claire's adventure continued through the war, political upheaval, and family challenges. The events which occurred in the 17th century affected Fraser's family so much, but in the series it is portrayed in such an amazing way that you will definitely wait for the another season, like when it's going to start, what's going to happen next. You will always be curious because it's a tale about surviving, and the way these two couples survive each and every event, it's totally mind-blowing. So it's a story of survival, destiny, and power of love across time, filled with action, betrayal, and deep emotional bonds. So to summarize the Outlander in short, it is about two souls who are destined to find each other no matter what the century is. So yes, if you do love historical romance along with some action, drama, and thrilling adventures, I'm pretty sure Outlander is the series which you must watch, and it has total of 7 seasons for now, and the season 8 is in production. So that's all for today. I hope you have loved this small review of mine for the Outlander series. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it now. And you have liked my video, then that's great. And do share it with your family and friends. That would be very kind of you to do so. So hopefully I'll see you all in my next video very soon. By the time, take care. Bye bye.